Hello,
Go
hello,
ahead.
hello. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello,
We'll
hello.
start with
हेलो जनाब. हेलो, हेलो. शुरू करें सिलसिला.
Ranveer.
सिलसिला ये चाहत का न मैंने बुझने दिया. ओ. हम्म.
That was amazing, Ranveer.
ये ट्रिब्यूट मेरे प्यारे से भंसाली साहब के लिए. सूट बूट में आया कन्हैया बैंड बजाने को. नए गीत पे नाच नचाने नए जमाने को.
Ranveer,
आया आया बैंड बजाने को. नए गीत पे नाच नचाने नए जमाने को. और फिर हैप्पी बर्थडे.
रणवीर, आप हमेशा ही एक अलग एनर्जी में रहते हैं, चाहे वो रैंप वॉक हो या फिल्म में हो, प्रमोशन हो या आज यहाँ पर हो, तो कहाँ से लाते हैं आप इतनी एनर्जी?
मुझे खुद नहीं पता, शायद मैं कोख से ही ऐसा निकला था.
ये पैदाशी थोड़ा एनर्जेटिक है. जैसे मैंने बोला राहुल को और रणवीर को आज से चलो रैंप पे, मैं चल रहा हूँ तुम्हारे साथ. ये दोनों रणवीर आते हैं, ये जल्दी चलें, ये वैसे ही हैं. ये तो पैदाशी फास्ट है, एनर्जेटिक.
Ranveer, you'll talk about Rohit and Rahul's collection.
I saw some of the pictures before I actually got here. I think it's absolutely smashing stuff. You know, the graphic prints and everything. It's so much detail, such sharp cuts. They're always fabulous with their work. And this time, what I appreciate most is the little touch of the backpacks and the bags. I think it adds that little bit of extra. We had a big debate on whether I should carry the bag or not. But Rahul thought it would slow me down and he didn't want that.
We don't believe in showstoppers. So we've had only two showstoppers, Salman twice and Ranveer twice. So we only go for the best.
Rahul, would you
So
like to
kind of
elaborate
you.
on the collection that was showcased today?
Well, it was just a collection for the modern man, for the GQ man, and we had the best representation when Ranveer was here, and he carries our clothes and everything with such panache, and we love it. He's a true GQ man. I think the fashion nights are not complete without him, so that's why we had him here. Yeah.
That's great. Can we? Do we have any more questions?
Okay, I really must mention this,
Okay, by the way, you put in a spot.
but I am on the spot. No. I am like a younger brother to the both of them. They are like older brothers to me. To be honest, even before I actually made my debut, they've always supported me and always made sure I'm looking good and presentable and smashing actually. Band Baja Barat had not even released, and it's this thing that as your popularity grows and grows, bigger and better designers will send you their clothes to wear. And I was literally a nobody before the release of Band Baja Barat, and they didn't think about that even for a second. They've supported me since then. And they're truly, from the bottom of their heart, really happy to see my growth. And I'll never forget. And these boys are always in my heart because I know where I'm coming from. And these boys were there before the start. So I appreciate them and their love and support.
Okay, we've only done this for two people. And I think we should do it for more people. We did it for Frida, and she rocked. We did it for him, and he rocked. Hello, I think we are Jochis.
Rahul, the outfit that you chose for Ranveer, tell us something about that.
Well, I think we were, people expected Ranveer to wear something quirky, and but we wanted to give him with a twist, something black and white as a statement, but the way he carried the pants and the jacket, it was just him. We just thought of him. It was a no-brainer.
Ranveer, tell us about your look.
Well, it's absolutely makes me feel like $1 million, I have to tell you. He may keep it very simple, but he's got a very, very sharp eye, and he looks at everything in much detail. Very, very sharp, very, very precise. And he had absolute clarity on what he wanted me to wear today. And I saw it, and it was love at first sight. I was like, yes, this is it. This is going to work. And we wore it, and to be honest, all that love and positivity that was being exchanged between me and everybody else who was sitting at the show, it stemmed from the fact that I felt great wearing what I'm wearing. You feel good, you look good, you feel great, you spread positivity, and it all comes back to you. I think it was a smashing show tonight.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Do we have any questions?
No brand conscious. Do you think a cool guy has to be brand conscious? Hello, nothing fits me. I wear whatever fits me. I wear black. No. No, I think fashion is what you feel comfortable in. He looks good in whatever he wears. And he knows it.
Rahul, you'll tell us about the theme of the collection?
The theme of the collection was in transition. And it was just about the urban life, how fast we are. We all in a haze, so it was all about the glitch prints. There was just monochrome tone over there, and it was inspired by the urban city and our lives.
And it was lovely that there were more men than women.
Yes, for the first time. We enjoyed men being there, yeah? And women were props this time.
How hot were they looking?
Yeah.
Everybody was looking so, so hot. Each one was a stunner, each look.
Rahul, bhai,
Did you also enjoy the fact that there were more men and lesser women?
I was backstage, and honestly, there was so much chaos happening that I did not really process what is going on. I came at the very last moment, so I had to learn my marks. You got to go there, then you got to do that, then you got to do that. There was a lot to process. Just one glance at everybody, and they were looking absolutely stunning. I didn't actually realize that there were more guys than girls.
Yeah.
Apart from you enjoying, apart from your high energy, the one thing that is really admirable is your level of confidence. Do you ever get butterflies in your stomach, or have you always?
Always, especially before live performances. I think if I don't actually bath, it's I don't find that a good omen has happened. I actually get very nervous before every single thing. But once I'm on the ground and once I'm in the moment, like when the camera rolls, then I guess I'm just in the moment.
One last question, please. One last question.
G.
Wrong word, talented.
Thank you. He's done some fabulous work in Tamasha, which I truly appreciate. And I told him personally, I have a lot of respect and admiration for him. He's doing some fantastic work.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We're done with the Q&A.
Right. I think I absolutely deserve it.
That's it. That's it. Please, we're done with the Q&A. Thank you.
I think yeah. I really didn't want to leave this gathering on this note, to be honest. But it's a very pressing issue right now that must be addressed. So whoever's not facing that, truly our hearts go out to all our friends in Chennai. I know it's an absolute war zone over there because I'm getting updates from a very dear friend of mine who's facing a lot of trouble. So really, at a time like this, I hope our government and everybody else can band together and help our brothers and sisters in Chennai. I pray that everything works out. And condolences to everybody who's lost dear ones in the floods. I think the world needs to look at what we're doing to planet Earth, because when you face nature's fury, things can get quite bad, as we've seen. So I think it's an alarm for all of us to kind of do our little bit to save Mother Earth.
अरे फोटो
Pose right, pose left, pose straight.
Yes, all of you. Thank you.
For the very good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Center, sorry.
Keep the questions on the yeah. Whom are you wearing tonight?
Philip Nine. Thank God I memorized the answer and came, otherwise I wouldn't know.
What are you expecting from this evening, and can you tell us about your association with GQ?
I've done some really interesting shoots with them in the past, and I've actually just recently done another one. So we met the team again together, and the people who are doing the show tonight, Rohit and Rahul Gandhi, I've actually known them for probably since I started actually as a model. So it's really nice to see them doing such amazing work.
Come to cheer up whom, in fact?
Sorry?
Come to cheer up whom, in fact?
Rohit and Rahul Gandhi.
And Ranveer is walking the... Ranveer Singh is walking.
I didn't know that. Now I do.
Okay, well, Katrina, a lot of your fans are waiting for your next film, and we today only we read that Jaga Jasu shooting is going to start next month. So, can you give us some more details?
Yeah, that's almost about 80% complete, Jaga Jasus. But first, Findur will be releasing on February 12th.
Have you seen Tamasha? How did you like the film? What have you say about Tamasha?
Yes, I saw it. I thought it was outstanding. I thought it was an amazing film.
Thank you so much.
And when we asked him like, did you watch Tamasha? He told to ask you only.
Who told me to?
Ranveer, I think asked him.
You have to say the surname because I'm confused who you're talking about.
Tamasha कैसी लगी आपको?
I thought it was amazing. I thought it was an outstanding film, and I thought he was superb in it.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
I was shooting for.
Katrina,
I can say it brand. I was shooting for L'Oreal, so unfortunately.
Katrina, one last question. You know, back there in Chennai, people are facing difficulties because of the culture. Any message would you like to give us if you have any friends over there?
I do. My mom lives very near in the area, so it's actually today I was very worried about it. Someone had called me from there, so I mean, we unfortunately natural disasters is not something we can really do much about, but I think if there are any groups or any relief work which is happening, we should, everyone should do their bit to help for sure.
Katrina, before you leave, what are your Christmas and New Year plans?
Oh God, I have no idea. Right now we're finishing up shooting for Nitya's film, which is, we're finishing shooting for Nitya Mera's film, which is called Baar Baar Dekho, and we're in the middle of that schedule, so just waiting for that to get over.
Any memorable memory from this year 2015? You're entering it 2015 now.
Madame Tussauds was this year?
Any special memory?
I think for this year so far, probably Madame Tussauds. That was a really it was a fun event. It was a special moment. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. Swapnil Shinde. A lot of hot men on the ramp.
We will be asking you questions from the back and you can look in the front.
Okay. Yes, sorry.
Would you be whistling, making cat calls tonight?
It depends on the show. No, I will be certainly.
You know how to whistle?
How to whistle?
Yeah.
Like that?
Once more. एक और take. एक में आया नहीं वो चक्के रह गए. Radhika, you were a part of the jury also. Like
Yes.
Just tell us about the experience.
It was a really amazing experience. बहुत बढ़िया experience था. मैंने पहली बार इंटरनेशनल जूरी पे मैं थी कायरो में, और पॉल वेबस्टर जो बहुत बड़े प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं वो he was the head of the jury. I think it's a बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि सब फिल्में देखो और डिसीजन लो, और जो मतलब इनसाइड क्या होता है जूरी का और क्या कैसे डिसीजन लिए जाते हैं, ये सब मेरे लिए बहुत नया था. इट वाज हार्ड वर्क. दिन में हम 3-4 फिल्में देखते थे, फिर डिस्कशन होता था, पूरा दिन हम थिएटर में थे. तो इट वाज ग्रेट फन एंड आई वांट टू डू दैट अगेन.
Any plans to move to Bollywood, like in addition to doing Hindi films and everything?
See, I've never restricted myself to anything, language or geography or anything. So I'd like to do all kinds of work.
मैंने सहयोगी को पूछा राइट रजनीकांत जी के साथ में आप कुछ शूटिंग चली थी अगर आप हमें बताना चाहें कि कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस जितनी देर शूटिंग हुई
मेरा शूटिंग अभी शुरू नहीं हुआ है, तो इस हफ्ते शुरू हो जाएगा. कबाली बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ मैं. मैंने एक बार उनके साथ फ़ोटो शूट किया फिल्म के लिए, तो ये मेरा पहला शूट मतलब अभी इस हफ्ते शुरू हो जाएगा. सो वेरी एक्साइटेड. क्या मैसेज दूँ यार? इट्स हॉरेबल. आई मीन व्हाट कैन आई से? इट्स एब्सोल्युटली हॉरेबल एंड आई होप द सिचुएशन इज becomes better soon.
राधिका, आपकी वहाँ पे तो कोई पहचान के हैं कि आपकी किसी से बात हुई है वहाँ पर?
हाँ, मेरी बात हुई है, बहुत लोगों से बात हुई है, पर पिछले 2 दिनों से बहुत लोगों के फ़ोन स्विच ऑफ बिकॉज बैटरी नहीं है, किसी के पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव अ गुड इवनिंग.
मैं रोहित गांधी के लिए आया हूँ, रोहित गांधी और राहुल खन्ना के लिए आया हूँ. तो मैं एक्स कर रहा हूँ कि मैं उनको जानता हूँ एंड आई नो दे डू अ फैंटास्टिक लाइन, सो आई एम होपिंग टू सी सम ग्रेट लाइन ऑफ क्लोथ्स. जी बिल्कुल, हमेशा जब मैं देखता हूँ तो वो याद आती है जब when I used to walk the ramp and I feel jealous of all those models walking, and one day again I will do something like this. ठीक है?
हैरान परेशान दुखी तो नहीं है मतलब जो आजकल का वातावरण रहता है मुंबई का?
हैरान और परेशानी क्यों?
मतलब कई बार विपदाएं आती हैं आपके ऊपर नया इनिशिएटिव्स के ऊपर आपके.
जी.
तो इसे कहीं सेटबैक तो नहीं होता ना? क्या
कौन सी इनिशिएटिव? नहीं, सेटबैक बिल्कुल नहीं है. जो फिटनेस इनिशिएटिव मैंने शुरू किया है उसमें कोई सेटबैक नहीं है. अगर आप सोच रहे कि ये कोई सेटबैक है तो गलत फहमी है. तो गेट फिट मुंबई अभी बहुत आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं और आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
कई लोग जो ऐसे अड़चने लाने की कोशिश करते हैं
जी,
वो कहीं आपको परेशान करती है?
देखिए, हर जो काम है, हर इनिशिएटिव में ऑब्स्टिकल्स होते रहते हैं. आपको बस आगे जाना है. इन ऑब्स्टिकल्स को हटा के आपको आगे जाना पड़ेगा. और मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर आप और मेहनत नहीं करेंगे, आगे नहीं जाएंगे तो फ़ायदा क्या है. सरकार भी मुझे सपोर्ट कर रही है बहुत. यस,
ये बड़ा वोग में है, ये चीज़ कुछ बताएंगे?
क्योंकि मैं हमेशा वोग में हूँ, इसलिए वोग का जो जी
हम कई लोगों को और भी देते हैं, कुछ एक्सप्लेन करिए क्या चीज़ है एक्चुअली, जैसे कहाँ से जाता है?
यार, इसको क्या बोलता है मुझे मालूम नहीं, मगर दिखने में काफ़ी लोग ने कहा कि अच्छा है, तो इसलिए मैंने पहन लिया. इसको क्या कहते हैं मुझे पता नहीं. जैकेट कम शॉल कम क्या है पता नहीं.
सर्दी बचती है इससे या नहीं?
नहीं, ये कपड़ा वैसे बहुत पतला है, तो सर्दी तो इससे बचती नहीं बिल्कुल.
You are the ideal GQ man?
बिल्कुल. आपको क्या लगता है, कोई शक है?
कभी नहीं रहा.
थैंक यू. All of them?
Oh, I saw all of you on the 5 episodes.
All 5 of them. I'll tell Anand that.
Web series is actually a very interesting concept.
I think it's the...
Hello, good evening. Who's going to ask and what do I say? Okay.
center look. And answer about your dress.
Well, my dress, Tanya Kanuja. So, I mean, I wanted to just keep it as GQ-ish as possible, keeping the feminine element intact. So, yes, it's Tanya Kanuja for tonight.
All our audience want to like listen whether you can whistle or not. On
No, I cannot.
Why?
No, I can't. I can only, I'm used to only hearing it. I'm not used to whistling for anyone. I'm sorry, I'm very bad at it.
Lots of men walking on the ramp like.
Oh, yeah. So I should have gotten those, the athletic whistles to do that. Oh, God, I forgot that. Okay, never mind. I think I'll make up with my claps for tonight.
Probably you can try or like rehearse. Like we can edit it.
Yeah, just dub it.
Anything in particular like this tonight?
No, it's the first time I'm actually sitting for an all-men fashion show. So, which girl wouldn't want to be in my position today and right now? So, I'm looking forward for each and every person who's going to be walking the ramp, including the designers and clothes as well. So, yes, so looking forward to everything tonight. Thank you.
Back there in Chennai, a lot of people
Yeah.
are going through a difficult time. Anything that
It's really sad. I mean, I don't know who to blame or what to blame for what is happening, but I just hope whatever little we can do in terms of helping them, be it with food, or there's been a lot of apps like Zomato who are helping them. But if you order something, they're gonna order the same thing for someone who needs it. So there are a lot of people who are, having different ways of helping. Let's just find our way and help them out, because it's not their fault that they're suffering with this. The airways, the whole runway is clogged. So, they can't even, it's like emergency situation almost in Chennai. I hope the entire country realizes it and on a humanity level does something about it.
also you have worked for the Tamil film industry. You must be having friends over there.
Yeah, I'm in touch with them. They all are fine. In fact, there are a few actors, friends of mine. Even in their houses, there's water in the bathrooms, in the living room. So it's not like, the upper strata of the society is not suffering. It's the same for everyone. When nature attacks, I don't think anyone can be left. So there are a lot of friends of mine from the industry in whose house they've given pictures of boats and some like paper boats floating inside their house. So it's really bad. It's really bad. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm looking forward to the Antaragni show because I'm wearing Antaragni right now by Ujjwal Dubey. But I think it's fabulous that we're celebrating menswear and that GQ is, giving us men to look at for the evening.
Lots of cat calls and everything tonight.
Yeah, I'll be whistling from the audience.
Can you give an example?
No.
What are you wearing right now?
I'm wearing Antaragni by Ujjwal Dubey. And I love it because it's such an easy kind of garment to wear, and usually women are very uncomfortable at events like this, but I'm feeling very bindas today.
Have you found a home in Mumbai, like you are staying out of India?
I have a home here in Bandra, so I live between Bandra and Melbourne. I'm going back in 2 weeks to be part of a T20 series with the Melbourne Renegades, so I'm looking forward to that. And then I'm going back to Manali to shoot Shambhala, finish shooting my film that I'm working on right now.
Your co-stars are also here tonight?
No, everybody's shooting. I've just taken some time off to come here. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Right. You're right. When you're right.
Yes.
Hey brother, good evening to you too. How are you?
Tell us, are you walking the ramp? You have come to watch the show. You are already looking like a showstopper.
Thank you very much for a change. I'm here because of my good friend Ujjwal from Antaragni, because I'm wearing his clothes and I really like his designs. I like the way his clothes fall and it makes me feel quite royal. So I'm here to support my friend. Unfortunately, I'm not walking the ramp, but maybe the next time. I haven't learned how to do it.
Probably sitting in the audience is already like walking a ramp or showstopper.
Yeah, if you're coming to an event like this, everything is a showstopper walking.
आपकी धर्मपत्नी ने आज यहाँ पर
हाँ, तो आज हमारे यहाँ 2-3 फंक्शन है जहाँ पे हमने अपने आप को जो है फोर्सेस को बांट कर हमने वहाँ वो गई हैं, यहाँ आया मैं यहाँ
दर्ज करा रहे हैं आप।
जी
आपका ये लुक कोई फिल्म के लिए हमने पहले
जी। इस फिल्म का नाम है साला खड़ूस, इसके बारे में पहले भी बताया था, लेकिन एक ख़ास बात बताना चाहता हूँ। मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त और मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स इस वक्त चेन्नई में एक बहुत ही कठिन दौर से गुजर रहे हैं। इट्स एक्सट्रीमली अनएक्सपेक्टेड। उनके चेहरे पे एक अजीब सी मुस्कुराहट है, क्योंकि उन्होंने कभी ऐसा कुछ देखा नहीं है, उन्होंने सिर्फ सुना है। और इतनी पानी है वहाँ पे और इतना बारिश हो चुका है कि हम समझाना मुश्किल है कि उनके लिए कितनी तकलीफ़ है। सो मैं चाहता हूँ कि जितने लोग चेन्नई में देख रहे हैं और जितने लोग अपनी कमाल, चाहे वो दूध वाला हो, चाहे वो लोग हो जो खाना लेके आ रहे हैं इस 6 फुट के पानी में और जिसमें सांप और बिच्छू तैर रहे हैं, इसके बावजूद जो घर आप इतना सेवा जो आप कर रहे हैं, आपको मैं बधाई देना चाहता हूँ, धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। आई थिंक द स्पिरिट ऑफ चेन्नई इज़ बेस्ट सीन ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ स्ट्रेस। बहुत ही इनफैक्ट अब आने वाले और 3 दिन में कह रहे हैं और बारिश होगी और 6-6, 7-7 फुट की पानी है, जिसकी वजह से वो लोग इससे जूझ नहीं पा रहे हैं, मुस्कुरा रहे हैं। उनको तो मतलब बौखलाए हुए हैं कि क्या हो रहा है ये। जी हाँ यार, एक दर्दनाक विषय बताना चाहता हूँ। पिछले 1.5 साल से मैंने दांतों में ब्रेसेस लगा रखे हैं। मेरे दांत के अंदर जो हैं मेटल ब्रेसेस लगे हुए हैं, जिसकी वजह से मैं ठीक से बोल नहीं पाता। लोगों को लगता है कि मैं शराब पी के बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये फिल्म के लिए है और मैंने शराब नहीं पी है। शेज़ नहीं, उनके साथ कुछ कर ही नहीं पाया। वो बॉक्सर है, मार देंगी पिक्चर के दौरान। नहीं, उन्होंने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया क्योंकि वो प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सर है। मैं 7 महीने से सीख रहा था, पर शी इज़ वेरी यंग गर्ल, शी इज़ हार्डली 20 और उसके पंचेस में बहुत दम है, तो मैं उनसे काफ़ी सीख रहा था ड्यूरिंग द शूट।
आप जाएं उससे पहले मुझे ये बताएं, आपके जो सहयोगी रहे हैं शर्मन जोशी, उनकी फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली
जी,
बड़ी उम्दा और नए हिम्मत से नई तरह की।
हाँ, तो 3 इडियट्स करते वक्त हमने तय किया था कि भाई अगली जो भी फिल्म करेंगे उसमें बहुत सारी खूबसूरत लड़कियाँ होंगी, हम नाचेंगे गाएंगे, क्योंकि 3 इडियट्स में सिर्फ 3 लड़के मुझठंडे थे। तो उन्होंने बहुत ही सीरियसली लिया उस बात को और मैं उनको बधाई देना चाहता हूँ। इट लुक्स लाइक अ वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग फिल्म एंड आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट। अडल्ट क्या है यार, अब तो इंटरनेट में हम सब कुछ देख लेते हैं बेचारे को। अभी मैं चाहता हूँ कि फिल्म बहुत बड़ी हिट हो।
बहुत ही मतलब ग्लैमरस और आकर्षित करने वाली महिलाओं के साथ काम कर रहे हैं।
हाँ,
गाने वाले सीन में आपको भाई नहीं?
मैंने तो उनको देखकर बहुत जेलस हो गया हूँ। मैं यहाँ बॉक्सिंग कर रहा हूँ, मार पीट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे मार रहे लोग, मेरी हीरोइन तो मुझे पीट रही है और वो वहाँ गुलछर उड़ा रहे हैं, विच इज़ वेरी गुड। थैंक यू। हाँ, फिलहाल हम सिर्फ चेन्नई के फ्लड्स के बारे में बात करेंगे प्लीज़। हम ये मुद्दा मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, मैं उसके बारे में बात करूँ।
ओके, थैंक यू।
हाँ जी, आपको भी थैंक यू वेरी मच।